Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Badai Pej Yagatanat Bording ke Sorkar Jilla Ubalong Ru Nong Mi Khmat Napok ke Phulbari Constituency Abu Taher Mondal Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor mentaka sengi ke khan reu tarik Jemang hadin ke Jinghiar penbam smai ukurtong ke UDP uba sensyar lingdo ulaong baharingkat ke kinhon ke babyang pat kiba kintob ya ke Meghalaya Power Generation Corporation Limited bat ke IIT kilalet pet ya ke dam Umïam bat kilalet syatra jong ke jingking dam ke bajrong hadu shispa arpohun reuput ha ka banakaliang Mondal ulaong bakat kum ke jingpet barok kilong kiba biang bat kam dondau ru henrei la ptha pat ya ke kinhon IIT ban penlong ya ke jingjurip bat ke jingpet benya da ka batho ya ki jingdon kam nado ki ultrasound bat ki wei ban lap tenra ya ke rukom long jong ke jingking namar da pet nabar ka pau bakalong ka babiang henrei ya ka ba syapo pat amla ban tem bat yakini la ban tip tang hadin balada penlong yaki tes bapher ki ban sale no hagini gisngi ki por banwan uloong ru hadin bala pendem yaki jing persang an kelyang yaki nar jong ke jingking ki balawan ra da ke company bat ki bre jong ke jela kin lek pet yaki ki tiar bat haga por ba penlong ke jing shna yaki jingking an khang ban yat kali kumbalai hadu henreu kenta hagi sngi balabu ban shna bat ki tarik ru an sapen benapat ba la benrap Mondal hadin berada banshna haga sengi ke babut pan an sya ki kali rit ban yat henrei an am sya ki kali he ban yat lingba ke jingking shisho Mondal ulo ongru bah ke Jinghiar hapo kawa Umïam kalong ka ke bumjujian nado menshwa ha ka baka kalahiar shadu kalai hajar shispa an repusan pun badla ka kandang hiar shisho an hapan Khang wat ke Jingpynmih Bording nakawa Umïam la benrap Mondal.
We have actually with full team from generation and also experts from IIT visited Umïam Dam and inspected. We gone to the proximity of the dam through boat and also went down the downstream side almost 126 feet below. So on physical verification everything seems to be very okay. There is no problem. But still we have decided that IIT should take measures to check, applying all the up-to-date methods to check a bridge like through ultrasound, drop-down hammer method. All these methods will be applied to see the exact position of the bridge. From outside it looks okay physically, but we don't know what is inside. That those can be only done through proper testing and all these things. So very soon we will be doing the testing. After testing is over and the recommendation we get, we will be going for retrofitting. We'll change the bearing of the bridge. A company has been dropped in the sense they have bid and they are the lowest bidder. We have given the award to them. Now our people will go to the company to see the testing procedure and it will be brought in. And bridge will be closed for 3 to 6 hours on a particular date. We are not fixed that one. So the moment we fix that, we'll definitely let you know also, let the public in whole also, because that day the traffic will be diverted through some other routes to Guwahati only for 6 hours. And next day they can go, but heavy vehicles will be completely restricted, will be not allowed to go. But small vehicles, light vehicles can fly when the retrofitting is done. Then on the day again, when the span will be lowered, the same procedure will be done. So all these things will be covering and giving wide publicity so that people don't feel any inconveniences. So this is the present position as far as the Umïam Dam is concerned. Water level is one of the lowest in the history of Umïam. We are at now 3,165 feet, which is the lowest because all along it is 3,170 feet. So if another feet down means we will have to shut down Umïam also. So this is the condition.
Sir, any timeline given to IIT Guwahati as to when they will start this?
It depends on us also. We got to take some our own department procedure. It will be done very soon because the assistant professor He was present here also. So I had a discussion with him. He is helping us as early as possible.
So you mentioned Umïam then is at its lowest in the history.
I mean the water level.
The water level at its lowest in the history. This means you might have to shut down also if it goes more.
No, because see, once there is a permissible limit of the water level up to which we can run our unit. So if it goes below, naturally we'll have to close down.
What then?
No, we are, see, as of now we will be continuing the present scenario. We need not think that maybe more hours will be increased and all these things. We expect that by the meantime the rain also will be there, so things will be normalized.
What about the alternate bridge? There was some discussion in the assembly.
Yeah, that alternate bridge is done through PWD department. Actually, not alternate bridge, alternate entry road to Shillong. Because there were some survey both on the upstream and downstream of the present bridge. But somehow Geological Survey of India thinks that if hammering will be not allowed to do for piling and all these things, because this may affect the original structure present there. So now PWD has entrusted the National Highway Development Corporation of India Limited to go for an alternative road to Shillong. And I think they are in an advanced stage for the alignment of the road, which will ultimately bypass the present bridge.
Yeah, this is about the power scenario.
Right.
Can you tell us the status now? Like,
Status will be as it is, as of now.
see, here Kasim is 8 hours. There was 10 hours.
No, we only Tura town and Shillong town were restricted to 8 hours. Other areas all are 10 hours.
Okay, what is the latest on the
Latest-
immediate measures?
Pardon?
Short term, because the High Court also asked.
Mhm.
Short term, mid term, and long term.
Yeah, we are taking long term also, because you see, if you go for a power project, it takes quite long time. You see, Leshka, it started in the 70s and culminated in after the millennium. So it is not an easy process that today you will decide, tomorrow it will be coming up. So long term measures to be taken at any cost. Then in medium term also, that also comes that what type of project you are up to. Is it hydel or thermal or any other whatever is available. So we are exploring all those issues, and hopefully our Honorable Chief Minister also very keen to see that this power scarcity is minimized at the earliest. So it is his idea that we are going up to what extent we can go to find alternative source of energy. So that way we are considering. Then short term is that whichever way it can be minimized, we are going on that direction. There is losses and all these things to be minimized. All these things will be coming.
So you were also slated to.
Twice by the meantime, in a span of 10 days to Leshka, then I went to Ganol also. Today actually I was supposed to go to Ganol, but somehow as water is not there, we cannot spin. So we need around 72 hours continuous spinning, and we don't have that much of water. So ultimately we postponed the schedule. So the moment that is there, I'll be going. Then other projects also I am visiting.